Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we haven't met, I'm 58, and this video is for you if your eyes are a little bit more closed than they once were. Maybe your face is dragging down a bit. I got you. If you're over 40, over 50, and you're not good at makeup, you are going to love these 3 tips. They are super simple. They don't require any expensive makeup. Let's get started. It's true what they say that your brows frame your face. And the older we get, the more important they are. I've done a few brow tutorials. You can watch this video here. Specifically, we're going to talk about the back 2/3 of our brow. We are in the habit, I know I am, of I want to fill my brows in like this. But I want you to just have a shift in your mind that instead of filling your brows in like this, I want you to aim out toward your temple. So when you get to about the pupil over, I want you to make strokes like this. See how I'm aiming out a little bit more toward my temple? That is going to be huge to really lift your face. Tip number 2 is about eyeliner. You just saw me a minute ago putting eyeshadow on. We're going to come back to that. Right now, when you apply eyeliner, whether you're good at it or you're not, this is a really important tip for lifting our face and opening our eyes. Take your eyeliner, and everything that I'm using will be linked down in the description below. I love this eyeliner from Essence. It's about $5 and lasts all day long until you take it off. So whether you like to apply your eyeliner freehand, or sometimes I like to take a small angled brush and put the eyeliner on the end of the brush and then apply it. Whichever is your preference, what I want you to keep in mind, again, this is just a shift in our minds thinking differently when we're applying eyeliner. Our natural inclination is to want to take your brush or your eyeliner. It'll be easier to show it with an eyeliner in my hand. To apply eyeliner like this. But that way, we're following this upper lash line, which is pointing down. But our lower lash line, if you were to follow it all the way, is pointing up. That's what I want you to use as your guide, is this lower lash line. Can you see this line that I already applied? It is in line with my lower lash line. That is going to be huge. I keep saying that, but it is the truth. That's going to be huge to really get your face and your eyes to be pointing up and a little bit more open and awake. If you follow me over on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, I hear from women all the time when I share this tip, and they will say to me, okay, Dawn, I've got the concept. I understand about following that lower lash line, but I just can't get it. I just can't master it. Change the order that you apply your eyeliner. I feel like what happens is that we apply our eyeliner like this, and then when it gets too far, they just go, you know what? I'm out. I can't do it. I want you to tackle this lifted corner first. Once you tackle that lifted corner, then fill in whatever else you're going to do on that upper lash line. And I think that will make all the difference for you. Here's my last tip for opening our eyes and giving us a more lifted face. And if you enjoy these tips, I have a video at the end that I'm going to link that I think you're going to love. You saw me apply my eyeshadow, right? This down here is a no-go line. Line your pencil up with the side of your nose and the corner of your eye, and nothing should go below this line. But that's hard to do when you're applying, right? I put just a touch of my concealer on my hand, and I'm going to take my concealer brush, start underneath this eyeliner at the corner of my eye, and aim up toward the end of my brow and my temple. This kind of cleans up my eyeliner, it cleans up my eyeshadow, and just make sure that I have a really lifted look. Now, if you got a big blank space there, don't fret. Pick up your blush brush, fill in that little blank space, and you still have that really lifted look. I hope all those tips were helpful to really open up our mature eyes and lift our face. And if you want more tips to open up our mature eyes without using eyeshadow, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.